Did you know that most drivers only use 20% of their automatic car's potential? That means you could be missing out on features that make driving smoother, safer, and even more fun. Whether you're a new driver or someone who's been behind the wheel for years, these 10 automatic car secrets will completely transform the way you drive. And trust me, secret number 7 is something you've probably never heard of. So stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're driving an automatic car, you might think it's all about D for drive and P for park. But what if I told you there's a whole world of hidden features and pro tips that can make you a better driver? Today, I'm revealing 10 automatic car secrets that will not only save you money and improve your car's performance, but also keep you safer on the road. And here's the best part. These tips work whether you're driving a brand new model or an older car. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of your automatic car? Let's get started. Secret number 1. Use L or low gear for steep hills. Let's start with something you might not know about your gear shift. Did you know that L or low gear is not just for towing heavy loads? It's actually your best friend when driving on steep hills. Here's why. When you're going downhill, low gear helps you maintain control without overusing your brakes. And when you're climbing uphill, it gives your engine the extra power it needs. So next time you're on a steep slope, don't just rely on drive. Switch to low and feel the difference. Secret number 2. The magic of manual mode. Now, here's a feature that many drivers ignore: manual mode. If your car has paddle shifters or a manual mode option, you're sitting on a goldmine. Manual mode gives you complete control over your gears, which is perfect for situations like overtaking or driving on winding roads. Imagine this. You're on a highway and you need to pass a slow-moving truck. Instead of waiting for your car to downshift, you can manually drop a gear and zoom past effortlessly. It's like having a sports car experience in your everyday ride. Secret number 3. Neutral is not just for car washes. Here's a myth I want to bust. Neutral is not just for car washes or waiting at traffic lights. In fact, it can be a lifesaver in heavy traffic. When you're stuck in a long jam, shifting to neutral can reduce fuel consumption and prevent unnecessary wear on your transmission. But remember, never coast in neutral while driving. It's unsafe and can even be illegal in some places. So use it wisely. Secret number 4. The right way to use park. Okay, this one is a game changer. How many of you just shift to park and call it a day? Here's the pro tip. Always engage your handbrake before shifting to park. Why? Because it reduces stress on your transmission and prevents your car from rolling, especially on uneven surfaces. Think of it as giving your car a little extra protection. Your transmission will thank you later. Secret number 5. Warm up your car the smart way. Here's a common mistake many drivers make: idling their car to warm it up. Did you know that modern cars are designed to warm up faster while driving? Instead of sitting in your driveway for 5 minutes, start driving gently after 30 seconds. It's better for your engine, saves fuel, and is kinder to the environment. Plus, you'll get to your destination faster. Win-win. Secret number 6. Use overdrive for highway driving. Overdrive is one of those features that sounds fancy but is often misunderstood. Here's the truth. Overdrive is your best friend on the highway. It reduces engine RPM, which means better fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. But here's the kicker. You should turn it off when you need extra power, like when climbing a steep hill. So next time you're on a long road trip, make sure overdrive is your co-pilot. Secret number 7. The hidden power of sport mode. Now, this is the secret you've been waiting for: sport mode. If your car has this feature, you're in for a treat. Sport mode isn't just for racing enthusiasts. It sharpens your car's throttle response, keeps you in lower gears longer, and gives you better acceleration. Imagine this. You're merging onto a busy highway, and you need to speed up quickly. Sport mode gives you that extra boost to merge safely and confidently. It's like unlocking a hidden superpower in your car. Secret number 8. Avoid creep in heavy traffic. Here's something you might not realize. Automatic cars creep forward when you release the brake. While this is helpful in some situations, it can be a problem in heavy traffic. Instead of riding the gas pedal, use your brake to control the creep. It's safer, saves fuel, and reduces wear on your transmission. Small adjustments like this can make a big difference in your driving experience. Secret number 9. The secret to smoother gear shifts. Ever feel a jerk when your car shifts gears? It's not just annoying. It can also strain your transmission. Here's a simple trick. Ease off the gas slightly before the shift happens. This reduces the load on your transmission and makes your ride smoother. It's a small habit that can extend the life of your car and make every drive more enjoyable. Secret number 10. Regular maintenance is key. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about maintenance. Automatic transmissions are complex, and they need regular care to perform at their best. Make it a habit to check your transmission fluid and follow your car's maintenance schedule. A well-maintained car is not just more reliable, it's also safer and more fun to drive. Remember, your car takes care of you, so take care of it. So, which of these secrets surprised you the most?
With the exception
Was
of
it
the
the
1
hidden
Series, any
power
BMW
of
model
sport
with an automatic
mode
transmission
or the
will
smart
feature
way
an
to use
electronic gear
neutral?
shifter.
Let
To
me
see how
know
this
in the
operates, we'll be
comments
using a 3
below.
Series sedan.
I'd
This
love
is the
to hear
electronic
your
gear shifter.
thoughts.
You'll notice a
If you
diagram of
found
the
this
transmission
video
settings on its
helpful,
face.
don't forget to
Once the
hit
vehicle
that
is
like
started, you'll
button
automatically
and
be in
subscribe
park.
to the
To
channel
shift out
for
of park,
more
apply
tips
the
and
brake
tricks
and
to
press
make
this
you a
unlock
better
button on the left
driver.
of the shifter.
And hey,
To select neutral,
share this
press
video
forward
with a
past the point of
friend who
resistance
drives
one
an
time.
automatic
To
car.
engage reverse,
They'll
press
thank you
forward past the point
later.
of resistance a second
Until
time.
next time,
Conversely, to
drive
select
safe,
drive from the park
stay
position, pull
curious,
back on the gear
and
shifter
keep
past the point of
exploring the
resistance.
amazing
Note that
features
the
of your
unlock button
car.
only needs to be used
See
when
you in the
shifting out of
next
park
video.
or engaging reverse.
Thanks for watching.
To engage park, make sure
Remember,
that the vehicle is turned to
driving
stop,
is not
and then
just
press the
about
park
getting
button on
from
top of the
point A
gear
to
shifter.
point B. It's about enjoying the journey and making the most of every ride. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay awesome and keep driving smart.